Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared there, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out some of these assets. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything we'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done that before. You too can also do the same thing. Now let's move on to what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame. Just where we are saying this, after getting to this resistance, it was unable to go above it, so it started a sell trend right from here. You can see the downtrend signal and the sell signal, and of course it started selling till it got to this particular support zone, which it was unable to break out below. So of course it went back to get to this resistance zone and came down again till it got to this support zone, and of course went back up, and of course it is at this particular region. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above it, and of course it started selling right from here. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. Crash 1000 was on downtrend before, but after getting to this support zone, it started a buy trend and started buying, got to this resistance zone, and of course the market is ranging around there for a while. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, then it will break out below this support zone and sell more right from there. So wait for the breakout. Okay, so we should understand that. Okay, so let's wait for the breakout. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. This had been on downtrend right from here, got to this support zone, went back on uptrend, and of course after that getting to this resistance zone, so it started selling again. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to go below the next support zone. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. This had been on uptrend right from here, got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above it, pull back, and of course try to go back up again, still unable to go above that. Okay, so it is selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. We should take note of that. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, and of course guys, make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.